I think the most surprising part for me, and the most unique experience, is that we're using upcycled pieces. That definitely resonated with me a lot. Someone who is conscious about the environment, and I really love that this place upcycles and uses those pieces to help us make fun, creative neon art. So the light workshop was really cool. I've never worked with light as a medium before, so it was really fun to understand how neon is made and how it works, and then using that as a way to make creative art pieces. And I definitely will be looking at light in a very different way. I would absolutely recommend this workshop to others. It was super fun. I really played a lot today. I really feel like I was able to express my creative side. Everyone was extremely helpful, all the workers here. I felt like, it was just a really fun way to express my creativity in a really new and exciting way. And we get to take really cool pieces home. So I would absolutely recommend this.